there's an intersection between heaven and earth, and heavenly beings and earthly beings are interacting, and things are getting corrupt and extremely wicked, and it's not the way God designed it in Genesis 1. Yeah, it uses the language both before and after the flood, and it says, I think it says it 3 times, every intent of their heart is only evil all the time. If you think that things are getting corrupted today, multiply that by 1 million, something like that. It's just absolutely horrible. Everything that they're doing is perverted.